Alright, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free domain and how to purchase cheapest hosting for your website without issues. I've been using this hosting for over 3 years now for all the clients I work for, and they have not given me any issues. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to give you a secret code in which I use to get 20% discount on any hosting I do on this particular website, and how I get free domain. Imagine getting $17 for free for the rest of the 1 year you're going to host your domain. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Faith, and all I do on this channel is to teach you how to make money online and how to build professional websites using WordPress. Consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do when purchasing your domain is just for you to pick the domain name you want to use, and you want to be sure that name is available. Let's come to a domain shaker here. I'm using Hostinger Domain Shaker, and it's a free tool that can help you check if your domain is free. Let me type faithamole.com. You will see that this domain is not available. All right, so if I search faithamole.com, so let's see if this domain is available for use. It's going to tell us if it is available or not. As you can see, this domain is already taken because it is still active. It is my own domain. So what you do is you keep searching. You can tweak the domain name. Let's say faithamole.llc, all right, .com. You can tweak the name to see if the name is available, but you can't use my name because it's already a personal name. Say this one is available. So if I want to purchase domain in this name, I can just tweak it and purchase. What you will do is just to make it yours. But I'm going to show you how to get this domain cheaper, how to get it free, and how to also get 20% discount. So what you will have to do is just come to your web browser and type faithamole.com/list of digital tools. All right, as soon as you type this address in your web browser, it will bring you to an interface like this. But I'm going to drop this link in the description of this video. All you have to do is just to click on the first link in this video description to get instant access to 20% discount and also a free domain, and that is a huge discount you can ever get on any hosting. So once you land here, you will come to this place, Hostinger. So you're going to copy this coupon code here, 1faith75. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe, or even if you don't copy it, just go straight to this button, click on this button, get 20% sign up. Can you see you are invited to Hostinger? Get an extra 20% discount. As soon as you click on that link, you're getting 20% discount, and that is a huge discount for you. Click on claim deal. That's the next thing you will do. So when you come here, you can decide to pick any of these plans for you, but I would advise you, if you are starting for the first time, you might want to choose the first one. Then you have to go through all the things you'll be getting in this particular package. In this package, you can host 25 websites. You can get managed hosting for your WordPress. You can get 25 gigabytes of SSD storage. So these are things you can get. You can also get free domain. That is very, very important. You are getting $10 free. All right, so these are things you will get in this package. You can decide to go for any of these packages. Like if you're going for an e-commerce website, please go for this particular one, this cloud storage. All right, or you go for this plan. But for now, we are building a simple website. So I'm going to click on choose a plan. All right, so choose plan, that's the one I'm going for. So I'm going to make payment straight away, and for you to make payment here, you need to get your dollar card. If you're in Nigeria, get your dollar card ready. You can get your dollar card with Gray app or with GigPay. I've done a video on this channel teaching you how to create a US bank account with GigPay. You can use their card. I'm going to use their card in this particular video, or you can use Gray. Any of them. I've done a video on this channel. I will link that video in the description so that you watch it and come back to continue your purchase. All right, so you're going to choose the particular period you want to post your website. All right, so for now I'm going to choose 12 months. All right, if you choose 1 month, it's a short period of time, and before you know it, the time has elapsed. So it's better you choose between 12 months, that is 1 year, or 24 months, or even 48 months. So I'm going to pick 12 months. So if I choose 12 months, can you see? Great news, you get a free domain for 1 year with this order. So that is a huge discount. Can you see? Which platform will give you this and also give you security and other tips. There are so many things you stand to gain. I'll be hosting with this particular website. All right, so what you will do here is, can you see that you have gotten a discount of 75% discount here? You have also gotten a discount for using my link. You have gotten 20% discount. So click on continue, as you can see here. So it will prompt you to register. I'm going to enter my email address here and then enter my password. I will hide this, I will blur this out, and will come back to continue. So I just entered my email and password, so I'm going to click on register. All right, so let's wait for it to load. All right, so it's prompting me to save. I'm going to save this in my browser. Okay, so it's going to bring me to this interface where I'm going to enter all my details, and I will enter all these details, and we will continue. As soon as I enter all these details, we'll go over to payments, and that is the process. I'm going to hide this process. I'm going to blur out this process, and when I'm done, we'll come back and continue. All right, so I just entered my personal details, and then here is the payment part, which is the part 2. All right, so I'm going to enter my card details here, and then I'm going to cover these two. As soon as we do that, so I'm going to make payments of, this amount here, $28.7 and whatever. So that's what I'm going to do now. As soon as I do that, I will also come back and we continue from there. All right, so it's loading. Let's give it time to load and make the payment for us. Okay, what you do is, if you don't have a dollar card, I have a video on this channel that talks about how to create accounts with GigPay and how to, the same method applies to Grow. You can use it to get your account done. So your payment is done. Let's go. So let's get started. So it's going to take us to our C panel, which is our H panel, where we see the packages we've purchased, and we'll pick it up from there. So this is simply how to purchase your hosting account, the cheapest hosting account you can ever get, and you're also getting a 20% discount, and not only that, you are getting a free domain. How cool is that? So let's get into our H panel and see what we have. So here we can pick it up. What do we want to do? We want to build a website for someone else. You can skip all of these methods. You can just create a website. You can skip them. You can go ahead, whichever one you want, create a website. So with WordPress, this time around, we're not building with AI, we're building with WordPress. WordPress is a content management system. So let's go ahead and click next. So it's going to ask us some questions. We've already gone through this. I will not be going through this again. So I just entered my password and I move what kind of business or what kind of pre-made templates I want. I just want to use them instead. So all these methods, I can decide not to pick anyone here. Let me go with the next. I will have to change all these ones, so they're not that important. These plugins, I don't need them. Uncheck them, I don't need them. All right, so I don't need all these things. I will pick them. I do not install plugins for me. Do not install plugins. So that is it, and then I click on next. So here I'm going to pick the domain I want to use. All right, so I'm going to enter the domain here. So that's the domain I want to use here. I want to enter it here. So it's going to check its availability. I'm not using a temporary domain, no. So let's wait for it to load. It has also given us this for free. Okay, so, and it's free. We've gotten our free domain. Can you see that? So congratulations to us. So we proceed to the next stage. You're going to choose your personal website and all that. So contact information, I've already done this one. So let me get our zip code here. So let me pick any of these, 480-101. So let's quickly pick that, and we are good to go. So we're going to wait for it to verify our domain and our personal details. We'll launch into our H panel without wasting much time. So that is how easy it is to get your hosting, your free domain, your 20% discount, and you launch your newest website. So, and if you're looking for someone to build a professional website for you, you can check my website on www.faithemole.com. to see portfolio, you will see my portfolio, you will see the previous works I've done, and that is it. So I'm going to skip this method for now. So your target audience are here. So let's install WordPress. At the moment, we're going to install WordPress. So this is how easy Hostinger is. It's going to walk you through the entire process, and it's going to make things easy for you. So